Can you disable Google reviews for my business? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Rose and here I'm here to provide the information if you are able to disable Google reviews for my business profile or not. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. So let me make you aware that we cannot directly disable Google reviews for the business profiles, but I can guide you through the available options. Simply, you need to open up any browser on your device. Click on the search bar at top of the screen, type in My Business. If you have a business profile, it will be listed on this like this. So you have to visit or view profile button and here my business profile is not yet verified, so I cannot read reviews. If you have any, then you can easily read reviewed by getting verified. So, unfortunately, there is no way to fully disable the reviews on Google My Business, now called Google Business Profile. Reviews are a core feature of Google service to help users make informed decisions. However, there are a few things you can do to manage the reviews effectively. So firstly, if a review violates the Google's policies, example spam, inappropriate content, or fake reviews, you can report it. So firstly, you can easily find the review you want to flag and you need to click on the three vertical dots next to the review and choose report review. Once you have done that, other thing you can do is ask satisfied customers to leave positive reviews, which can help outweigh negative feedback. So these are the ways and the steps that help you to have the audience review positively to your business profile. So lastly, you need to know that we are not able to disable the Google reviews for our business, but we can make it positive. So that's it. Thank you for watching.